Digital inking, the future of writing and drawing. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an exciting and modern concept, digital inking. This term might sound complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. So, let's dive in and learn about this fascinating topic. Digital inking refers to the process of writing or drawing on a digital device using a stylus or digital pen. Unlike traditional pen and paper, digital inking allows for more flexibility and creativity. It's commonly used in graphic design, note-taking apps, and even for signing documents electronically. The beauty of digital inking lies in its ability to simulate the experience of physical writing while offering the benefits of digital technology. To get started with digital inking, you need two main things: a digital device, like a tablet or a touchscreen laptop, and a stylus or digital pen. These pens are specially designed to work with touchscreens, providing a natural and precise writing experience. Some popular devices for digital inking include the iPad with the Apple Pencil, Microsoft Surface devices, and various Android tablets. Digital inking isn't just for artists and designers. It's also incredibly useful for students and professionals. You can take notes, annotate PDFs, sign documents, or even sketch out ideas. For language learners, it's a great tool to practice handwriting in a new language, especially for scripts that differ from your native language. One of the biggest advantages of digital inking is its convenience. You can easily erase mistakes, change colors, and undo actions. Plus, it's eco-friendly as it reduces the need for paper. Another advantage is its portability. Your work can be saved and accessed anywhere, anytime. This makes it a powerful tool for collaboration and sharing. Starting with digital inking can be a bit intimidating, but here are some tips. 1. Choose the right tools. Invest in a good stylus and compatible device. 2. Practice regularly. Like any skill, digital inking gets better with practice. 3. Experiment with apps. There are many apps designed for digital inking. Try a few to find what works best for you. We hope this video has shed light on the exciting world of digital inking. Whether you're an artist, student, professional, or just someone who loves to doodle, digital inking can open up a world of possibilities. So, grab your digital pen and let your creativity flow. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.